Seth Stokes, 106.3 WORD News here at the Bateman Law Firm, speaking with John Bateman, the guy behind the name here at the law firm. This is part of our Small Business Month. Throughout the month of May, 106.3 is highlighting small businesses in the Upstate, and today is Bateman Law Firm Day. Give me a little insight into your past and kind of who you are.
Thanks, Seth. Thanks for joining us out here at the office. I'm an attorney. I've been an attorney since 2008. I went from law school directly to the Army, where I was a JAG attorney for 4 years. I got out of the Army in 2012. At that point, I transferred my bar membership to South Carolina from North Carolina, and I've been practicing in South Carolina ever since. And we represent clients who've been accused primarily of criminal activity. More specifically, most of our cases are DUI, or outside the state they call them DWI, driving under the influence cases.
So you get out of the military and you hop into South Carolina. What was the thought process behind opening up your own firm instead of getting on with someone else?
Right. Well, the reason I came to South Carolina was in law school. I met my wonderful wife, Eva, and we got married right before I went off to the Army. She came back to Greenville. She's from Greenville originally, and she had been working here in Greenville ever since. So when it was time for me to leave the Army and become a civilian again, it was a natural fit for me to move here because she was already very well established here in Greenville. So I moved here not really knowing a whole lot about the area, but having been here for years at this point, I love it here. And I'm so thankful that I'm thankful for my wife, but I'm also very thankful that I ended up here in upstate South Carolina and in Greenville in particular. It's just such a great community and a great place to live, and I'm very happy to raise my children here as well.
How do you determine which type of law you want to go into? You said you kind of specialize in DUI, DWI. Why that particular aspect of it?
Anytime somebody's walking through our door, it's probably because they had, if not the worst night of their life, one of the worst nights of their life. Most of our clients have never been in trouble before, never seen the inside of a jail cell until that night that they get arrested. So, they're ashamed, they're scared, and then they come to us, and then we work, kind of brick by brick to build them back up, and also to get them as good a result as possible on their case. That's the goal.
And when you get an opportunity to speak with young up and coming attorneys and
Sure.
maybe guys who just graduated, what kind of advice do you give them?
Well, one thing I would tell everybody is try to, and this isn't necessarily just lawyers, try a bunch of different things that you haven't tried before. When I was in law school, I knew I wanted to be a lawyer, but I would not have told you in law school that I wanted to be a lawyer representing clients on DUI or cases, or criminal cases. It wasn't something that I was really exposed to until I became a prosecutor. And then being exposed to it more and more, it really developed a passion for that subject for me. For young lawyers, I say, if you try to find a job, but don't just look at what you think you like, because your real passion might be right around the corner.